Okay, guys, so welcome everyone. Welcome to day number 13. Day number 13. So, one more wonderful magical session. Okay, so let me share my screen. And today we are going to do something amazing. So, look at this picture. Beautiful picture, this is. So in the book, the picture is not very good, but yeah, here we can see there is this clear picture. So day 13, make all your wishes come true. So now the true, really, real magic will start to happen. Okay, so today, from today onward, you will see magic happening more and more in a most beautiful and magical way. So make all your wishes come true. Look at this. So there is this stairs going upwards or downstairs, you can say, and there is one jacket, and in this jacket there is one paper, and in this paper, on this paper, there are so many beautiful wishes are written over there, and you can say this paper is magical because this is full of our desires, full of our
Mm.
dreams, right? So this paper is full of desires. So slowly, gradually, our all the desires will start coming true. Okay, so this we are going to read today. So it's all about our desires and our dreams. So the first line itself is magical. Imagination is the true magic carpet. Imagination is the true magic carpet. Have you ever seen any magic carpet? When we were very small, so you must have heard the stories of Aladdin. So there was this magic carpet,
Yes.
and on that magic carpet, Aladdin with his girlfriend, and they people were going here and there. They are moving in the air
Yes, ma'am.
everywhere. They were able to go right. So in the same way,
Mm.
our imagination is also in the same way. When we are imagining anything, so we can go anywhere. So our imagination is like the magical carpet, the way the people used to use that magical carpet. So our imagination is also in the same way. When we are imagining something, so we can go anywhere wherever we want to go, and whatever we want to achieve, we can see that thing happening in our life. So that is only imagination. So you can imagine anything. That is the power of imagination. Imagination mein to we can see ourselves becoming the prime minister as well,
Yes.
right? So that is imagination.
Yes.
Anything is possible. Right, so we also can have that magical carpet, and instead of Aladdin, we can also roam around the world
Yes.
by sitting on that magical carpet. Right, so anything is possible. Right, so the first line itself is really beautiful. So imagination is a magical carpet. Yeah, imagination is a true magic carpet. If you have been following the magical practices day by day that you people are already doing, okay, so it's been like 12 days. If you have been following the magical practices day by day, you have now built an amazing foundation by practicing gratitude for everything you have received and continue to receive in your life. So now you people are habituated of like doing the gratitude. When you wake up in the morning, you say thank you. You are being grateful in the morning. When you go to bed, then also like you people are habituated slowly, like you are becoming more habituated of doing all these things. Okay, doing gratitude, practicing
Yes, ma'am.
gratitude.
In curry, I preparing curry. I cut it the tomato and I said, "Yeah, thank you. You are food for me. So thank you." I in murmuring in my mind.
Yeah, and
Yes.
nowadays tomatoes are very expensive, but we
Yes.
can afford it. So thank you so
Yes.
much.
Yes.
We
Yes,
people
ma'am.
are so lucky that we can at least afford it,
Yes.
right? And not only
Yes.
tomato, there are many things that we can
Many.
afford, and there are many people those who cannot. So that we are lucky. So we have to be grateful for each and every small thing,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
right? So now we people are already practicing. So that is the real foundation. Now our foundation is ready. So it's been 12 days. So now foundation is ready, right? So, but today is an exciting day because you are going to begin to use gratitude's magical power for your dreams and desires. So, whatever is your dream, whatever you want to achieve, whatever is your goal in your life, whatever is your desire, so how we can fulfill all these desires, right? So, now foundation is made. Now, our foundation is made. So, now we will start making the building, right? So, we are in the middle of this thing. We are in the middle. Foundation is done. So, second paragraph, hundreds of native cultures through the centuries have traditionally given thanks for what they want before they receive it. So, they used to do it. They used to be grateful before they were starting anything. So, before they start, before that only, they were saying thank you. So, we didn't start it. It is coming from that ancient time. We haven't started it. So, it is coming from long, long back. Back then also, it was there. People were being grateful. So, hundreds of native cultures. So, it was a culture only. Hundreds of native cultures through the centuries have traditionally given thanks for what they want before they receive it. Even they didn't receive, before that, they started being grateful. Creating elaborate ceremonies to put as much energy as they could into giving thanks. So, they were already doing all those things. They were doing so many ceremonies, events. They were already like, do you remember in ancient time there were so many havan, puja they people used to do. अब रामायण में भी सुना होगा वो राम जी के जब काफी ईयर्स तक नहीं दशरथ जी के जब कई सालों तक बेबी नहीं हुआ तो दे ऑल्सो परफॉर्म सम यज्ञ और सम हवन काइंड ऑफ थिंग. Right? So then only Ram came, then Lakshman, then Bharat and Shatrughan. They used to do. Before they had to say thank you, then they were receiving anything. Whatever they wanted to achieve, they had to say thank you beforehand. Pehle se hi. So we didn't start. It started in the past only. So the third line, the Egyptians have celebrated the flooding of the Nile River since ancient time to ensure continual flow of the river in the of the water in the river. See, the Egyptian people started. So they were praying for Nile River so that they can continue to get the water throughout the year. Right? So that's why beforehand, pehle se hi they were praying to that Nile River. Right? So American Indians and Australian Aborigines perform rain dances. They had to perform rain dances. Various African tribes perform ceremonies for their food before they hunt for it. अभी इन्होंने कुछ हंट किया भी नहीं होता था बिफोर दैट दे वर सेइंग थैंक यू. That means it was a kind of guarantee that yes, we will be getting something amazing. We will be getting something amazing today. So beforehand, पहले से ही they were telling thank you. And the very nature of prayer in every culture and religion is giving thanks before having received what is desired. So whatever you people desire, okay, so you just have to think in mind, okay, so what do you want to achieve? What is your desire? What is your dream? Okay, so let's say, for example, I want to make 5 lakh rupees per month or 2 lakh rupees. That is my desire. Okay, or you can say, I want to have that BMW or Mercedes, whatever is your desire. So keep it in mind and you have to make a list of it. Okay, so we will learn it, how we have to do. But you have to be ready with your desire. सो व्हाट इज योर डीपेस्ट डिजायर. क्या आप अपनी लाइफ में अचीव करना चाहते हो. देर मस्ट बी समथिंग दैट यू वॉन्ट टू अचीव. एवरीबडी हैज समथिंग, राइट. एंड द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन सेज दैट लाइक अट्रैक्ट्स लाइक. So now we know the law of attraction. We are the magnet. If we think positive, we will attract positivity around us. If we think negative, we will attract. So sometimes you say, why it is happening? Because you are the magnet. And law of attraction says like attracts likes. What goes around comes around. The more you appreciate, it appreciates in your life. Right? As you sow, so shall you reap. So you all have heard all these things. So which means you must form in your mind a likeness. So what do you like? Or an image. Image of what do you want? What do you want? What do you like? So you should have that kind of image. कि लिखना ही नहीं है वो आपको फील भी करना है. You should have that image in your mind and you should start thinking it. Okay, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this. It should be very much clear in your mind. There should not be any doubt in that. So it should be very much crystal clear. So I gave you one example. Do you remember when we go to restaurant or any hotel? So we don't say खाना लाओ. So we have to be very specific. What do you want? मुझे 5 लाख हर महीने बनाना है. क्यों बनाना है? आप उससे क्या करोगे? Because desire is there. Desire is there. So there are two things. Please write it down. Desirability And the second thing is desirability. The first thing is desirability. Desire, that means desire is there. I want to achieve this. I have this goal, right? So I have this dream. So that is desire. What do you want to achieve in your life? That is your desire. That is called desirability. You have that desirability that, yeah, I want to have this. And the second thing is deservability. Okay, you want to make 5 lakh rupees per month. 5 lakh rupees per month. That is your desire. But you are thinking, you are doubting कि whether I deserve it, will I be able to make it or will I not be able to make it? So you are doubting yourself. That means you think that you don't deserve it. Am I making sense? So where
Yes,
we
ma'am.
people are doing gadbad. So what is the gadbad here? So we think that is desire. I want to make 5 lakh per month. That is desire. Okay. But in my mind, I'm always questioning like, can I make it? So I am feeling that I don't deserve it. So that is called deservability. So with desirability, deservability also should be there. That, yeah, I deserve it. Why do you need 5 lakh rupees per month? Because I deserve it. I am the chosen one. I am the abundant child of this abundant universe. Money loves me. I love money. Money comes towards me from all the directions. Money comes towards me easily and effortlessly.
Desirability.
So that is deservability because I deserve it. God loves me, money loves me. It is coming towards me from all the directions easily and effortlessly. I am the chosen one. I am the abundant child of this abundant universe. I should not doubt this. And it should be very much clear. Yeah, it is happening. It is coming. Like when we order something on Amazon, so we don't doubt whether it is coming and we don't check कि वो हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. No. We trust. We have that faith. Yeah, it is on the way. So similarly with desirability, deservability also should be there. If you want to make something happen, why it is when it is possible, when with desirability there is deservability also. But if you are think that I don't deserve it, why don't we deserve it? We deserve it. अरे 5 लाख रुपए महीना क्या है उसके लिए? एक सागर की एक बूंद है. सागर में से एक लोटा कम पानी निकल जाए तो कुछ नहीं होगा सागर को. स्टिल इट विल बी द सेम. बहुत है उसके पास. हमें पता ही नहीं है कि कितना है उसके पास. राइट? बट यू शुड हैव दैट डिजर्वेबिलिटी. या, आई डिजर्व इट. So some people say my like manifestation doesn't work in my case. Why it doesn't work? Because you people desire, but you are thinking that I don't deserve. So there should not be doubt. So you should start feeling like, yeah, it is done. It is done कि हो गया. मेरा तो 5 लाख रुपए हर महीने हो गया. और आपको लाइफ वैसा जीना शुरू कर देना. एंड देर इज वन मूवी का डायलॉग शाहरुख खान का, किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात लग जाती है उसे आप तक लाने में. हैव यू हर्ड दैट डायलॉग ऑफ द मूवी
Yes,
ओम
ma'am.
शांति? When you want something, when you have that deep desire, that something that you truly want, the whole universe conspires to make it happen for you. पूरी कायनात वो कहां से भी लाएगा. आपको उसके बाद ये नहीं सोचना कि हाउ इट विल हैपन, व्हेन इट विल हैपन. डोंट गिव इट अ टाइमलाइन कि कब होगा. बट डोंट डाउट कि होगा या नहीं होगा. होगा. वो डिजायर किसने दिया हमें? अगर मेरे माइंड में ये आया कि मुझे 1 लाख रुपए या 5 लाख रुपए, वो कहाँ से आया? डिजायर भी तो उसी ने दिया ना. नहीं तो वो डिजायर देता ही ना. सबको थोड़ी डिजायर आता है. सबको डिजायर भी उसी को आता है जिसकी वो पूरी होने वाली होती है. But it will happen. It is on the way. Yeah, that I know. Nowadays I have heard I have watched so many podcasts of people those who are very successful. Okay, so whenever I listen to them, one thing is common in like each and every body. So what is common? The people don't doubt. The people don't doubt from the very beginning when they were in their childhood. So they were very sure, they were very sure that yeah, it is going to happen, it is going to happen. You know, there is one person, cricketer, बहुत छोटी एज का है वो, जायसवाल, जयसवाल नाम है उसका। उसका राज शमामी के साथ पॉडकास्ट था, सो आई वॉज वॉचिंग इट। एंड लाइक राज शमामी शमामी वॉज आस्किंग, डिडंट यू डाउट, कितने आप छोटे थे कि आप क्रिकेटर बनोगे? नहीं, आई वॉज एबल टू सी माई सेल्फ clearly, yeah, I'm making so many sixes and I'm achieving these and these trophies and I'm meeting विराट कोहली। कहते आई वॉज वेरी मच क्लियर। सो जब भी मेरे पापा भी पूछे, नहीं पापा मुझे तो वो क्रिकेटर, मैं तो अपने आप को वहां देखता हूँ। और अपने वो सपने में भी वो विजुअलाइज करता था कि मैं वहां पे खड़ा हूं, मैं इससे मिल रहा हूं, उससे मिल रहा हूं, मुझे ये ट्रॉफी मिल रही है, वो ट्रॉफी मिल रही है। एंड दिस बिकेम ट्रू बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी मच क्लियर इन हिज माइंड, या दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन, दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन। या पापा आप देखोगे, उसको डाउट ही नहीं था कभी भी। और कहां से बिल्कुल जीरो से स्टार्ट करके अभी वो कहाँ है। और ऐसे ही अभी मैं किल मूवी का जो हीरो है, I don't know what's the name of that. I think Lakshya. Lakshya is the
राघव
name of that
मैम,
person.
और लक्ष्मण राघव वेब भी है।
राघव नहीं, लक्ष्य
राघव।
नाम है उसका। He is from Delhi, Ashok Vihar. He is from Delhi
ओके।
only. Yeah.
ओके। द
And
हीरो ऑफ द
there is
मूवी
this
ना।
Ashmin Munjal, जिस जो वो ब्यूटी पेजेंट में भी, जिसने बहुत सारे मतलब अवार्ड जीते, ये वो, मतलब दे पीपल स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम वेरी जीरो, वेरी जीरो। बट द पीपल डिडंट हैव एनी डाउट कि मतलब कि हम वहां पहुंचेंगे नहीं पहुंचेंगे। दे वर वेरी क्लियर एंड दे वर एबल टू विजुअलाइज इट क्लियरली। शाहिद कपूर, शाहिद कपूर, you all know, जब वी मेट वाला, he also started from zero. He also started from zero. When you will listen to his story, so you will get to know कि how did he start, how did he start, and now who is he? Everybody knows. जब मैं सुन रही थी ना राज शमामी के साथ वो शाहिद कपूर, ही वॉज वेरी क्लियर कि मुझे कहाँ पे पहुंचना है। कहते आई वॉज एबल टू सी माई सेल्फ देयर, that I'm meeting Abhishek Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan, this and that, and I'm doing this movie, this movie. So that much clarity each and everybody had. So that was a common thing. So when I watch all these postcards, so this is the very common thing, that everybody is very much clear about their future, and everybody started from zero. So when you are able to see each and everything, when you start living beforehand each and everything, कि yeah, this is going to happen in my life, definitely nobody can stop it. Okay, so got it everyone? Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So where we were, yeah, the easiest way to do this is to be grateful for what you want before you have received it. If it never occurred to you before to use gratitude to receive what you want, you have now discovered another of its magical power. So now you know how you have to do it. Okay, so you have to be grateful beforehand. No matter if it didn't occur earlier. कोई बात नहीं अगर पहले नहीं हुआ तो अब होगा ना, because now we have got that knowledge. So now we will make it happen. The very words in the Holy Scriptures promise exactly that. So whosoever has gratitude now will be given more in the future, and he or she will have an abundance. So we will have an abundance. We will have abundance in our life, right? Because we are feeling good. We are feeling good, so it is going to happen. So gratitude is something you must have before you can receive, not something that you simply do after something good has happened. Most people are grateful after they receive something good, but to make all your wishes come true and change your entire life by filling it with riches in every area, you must be grateful before and after. So I told you, because we have to start from the past and then present, and for future also we have to be grateful पहले से ही, right? So through the act of being sincerely grateful, but you have to say, you have to be sincere when you are being grateful. So, through the act of being sincerely grateful for receiving your desire beforehand, you immediately form an image in your mind that you have it. You feel as though you have it. So, you have to feel it as if you already have it, as though you have it. and you are fulfilling your part. If you continue to hold to that image and feeling, if you continue doing that, if you are able to visualize that, you will magically receive your desire. You won't know how will you receive it, and it's not your job to figure it out. It's not your job to figure it out, when it is going to happen, how it is going to happen. We cannot question it. You don't try to figure out how gravity is going to keep you on ground. Do we doubt gravity? Do we doubt gravity? No, gravity is there. So similarly, law of attraction is there. 100% gravity is there. We never doubted कि हम ऊपर छलांग लगाएंगे तो नीचे आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे. We are gonna be there. So you don't try to figure out how gravity is going to keep you on the ground. When you go for a walk, do you? You trust and know that when you go for a walk, the law of gravity will keep you firmly on the ground. Likewise, you must trust and know that when you are grateful for what you want will be magically moved to you because it is the law of the universe. Because what you seek is also seeking you. Please write it down. What you seek is also seeking you. जो आप ढूंढ रहे हो ना वो चीज भी तुम्हें ढूंढ रही है. What you seek is also seeking you. What you seek is also seeking you. Beautiful line. Yeah. So because this is a law of the universe. Because what you appreciates in your life. What do you most want right now? Okay. So what do you most want right now? So one desire that you most want. So we may have so many desires, but what is the one thing that you want the most? So at the beginning of this book, I ask you to get really clear about what you want in every area of your life. If you read the previous chapters, the like when we started the first chapter, before that also there were few pages. If you have read all those pages, so you know that how we have to do it. So what you want in each and every area of your life. If you didn't do that earlier, now is the time to do it. It's okay if you didn't do it earlier. So we will do it right now. Go to the list you created now and choose your top 10 desires for this magical practice. You can select 10 desires from different areas of your life, such as money, health, home, relationships, and you might want to choose 10 desires in one area you really want to change, such as work or success. Be very clear and specific about what you want the most so that you can see the changes magically happen from this practice. Imagine you are putting in a magic order with the universe for your top 10 desires, because in truth, by using the law of attraction, that's exactly what you are doing. So we have to make a list of 10 desires. Okay, so what do you want? So you have to make a list of 10 desires. Okay, so you have to start like what is your topmost desire that you want? Okay, कि ये तो मुझे 10 में से 10 नंबर चाहिए ही चाहिए. So you will keep it at the top. Okay, so on the scale of 1 to 10, what is that deepest desire that you want 10 on 10? So you will keep it at the top. After that, जो आपको 10 में से 9 चाहिए. After that, जो 10 में से 8 चाहिए तो भी चलेगा. After that, 10 में से 7 चलेगा. So you have to make a list of 10 desires of yours. Okay. So how you have to do it? Sit down at a computer or with a pen and journal and create a separate list of top 10 desires in the following way as though you have received them. Okay, और ऐसे लिस्ट बनाना कि जैसे वो आपको पहले से ही चीज मिल चुकी है, as you have already received it. Okay, and you have to feel gratitude. You have to start feeling gratitude. So how you have to do it? Look at this. How you have to write it. Okay, so जिसके नंबर 10 में से 10 है right? So that should be at the top. Thank you, thank you, thank you for dash. Okay, thank you for dash, and fill in the blank with your desire as though you have received it. For example, thank you for the high marks in my exam results which got me into the exact college I wanted. Right? Thank you for the great news that we are having a baby. अभी बेबी हुआ नहीं, उन्हें पहले ही थैंक यू कर दिया. And they started visualizing it. Ki, yeah, after some time we'll be getting a baby. We will be having a baby, right? So thank you, thank you, thank you for our dream home, which has everything we wanted it to have, down to the last detail. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the amazing phone call with my dad that has improved our relationship. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the medical results that show that I am clear and healthy again. So that you can write it down for your health. You can write it for money, so whatever you desire. So in this way, you
Mm.
have to make a list. So you have to start from thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the unexpected money I received, which is the exact amount I needed for my European trip. That is the exact money. थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू फॉर द डबलिंग ऑफ आर सेल्स फिगर दिस मंथ, कि हमारी सेल्स डबल हो गई. थैंक यू थैंक यू फॉर द आइडिया दैट वन अस आर बिगेस्ट क्लाइंट येट, कि मुझे बिगेस्ट क्लाइंट मिल गया. थैंक यू फॉर माई परफेक्ट पार्टनर, दोज हु आर लुकिंग फॉर द पार्टनर, जैसे लेट से अनमेरिड कोई है तो उसके लिए. थैंक यू फॉर माई परफेक्ट पार्टनर. थैंक यू फॉर हाउ इजी एंड एफर्टलेस आर मूव वॉज. कुछ आपने मूव लिया, वो आपका बहुत अच्छा रहा, पहले से ही उसको आपने थैंक यू बोल दिया, राइट? सो राइटिंग थैंक यू 3 times in a row is a very powerful thing to do, because it prevents you from throwing the words away and increase your focus of gratitude. Otherwise we can say one time also thank you, but when we say only one time, we don't feel in that way जितना हम 3 बार बोलने से फील करते हैं. So that's why thank you, and there is a reason why 3 times. You know, the whole universe is like that only. So 3 number is very lucky number. So जैसे वो ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, 3 वो जो है, जो मेन, जिन्होंने पूरा वो कायनात जो बनाई, तो जब बोलते हैं ना ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, सो दे आर थ्री. और आपने त्रिशूल देखा है शंकर जी का, उसके ऊपर भी वो 3 रहते हैं, है ना? शार्प एज जो होते हैं वो 3 होते हैं, राइट? सो व्हेन वी सी द फैमिली हस्बैंड वाइफ, it takes husband and wife to create a baby, right? So that is also like 3 in a family. So that's why we talk about 3. So it should be 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you, right? For example, where we were, yeah, saying thank you 3 times is also a magic formula, because it is the mathematical number of all new creation in the universe. For example, it takes one male and one female to create a baby. The male, the female, and the baby, total 3, completing a new creation. The same rule of 3 applies to the creation of everything in the universe, including the creation of your desires. And so when you say thank you 3 times in a row, you are using the magic number of creation and secret magic formula. So that is the formula. So whenever we say thank you, count your blessings, maybe we write it at the end, or we feel it at the end, we say it at the end. But for today's practice, we have to start with thank you 3 times. And we have to do it as if we have already achieved it, whatever you want to achieve, right? And you have to do it with each and every desire. If you don't have 10 desires, it's okay, fine. 3 तो होंगी, बट हो सकता है 10 हो, 10 से ज्यादा भी हो सकती हैं, 10 से कम भी हो सकती हैं. आई डोंट हैव लाइक, मेरी तो 1-2 ही हैं छोटी मोटी सी, तो मैं वो एक दो के लिए ही प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ, बिकॉज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू अचीव इन माय लाइफ आई हैव ऑलरेडी अचीव्ड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. सो 1-2 वो छोटी मोटी बची है, तो आई प्रैक्टिस फॉर दैट ओनली, right? But yeah, whatever you want to achieve, definitely you are going to achieve. Definitely you are going to achieve, right? So don't doubt it कि होगा या नहीं होगा, but yeah, don't put the timeline. The second step of make all your wishes come true involves saturating your desires with even more gratitude. You can complete the second step at any time during the day today, either at the same time at listing your top 10 desire, or intermittently throughout the day. Intermittently मतलब दिन में कभी भी कर सकते हो, 1-2 बार कर सकते हो, 4-5 बार कर सकते हो, ठीक है? इट्स अप टू यू. इंटरमिटेंटली मतलब बीच बीच में आप कभी भी कर सकते हो, एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस, जब भी आप करना चाहो, राइट? And to saturate each of your desire with gratitude's magical power, begin with the first desire on your list, and using your imagination mentally answer the following question as though you have received your desire. Okay, so to make it टू ब्रिंग इट टू द डीपेस्ट लेवल, ओके, टू सेचुरेट, मतलब इसको अच्छे से अंदर तक प्लांट करने के लिए जो भी आपकी डिजायर है, ओके। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज you have to ask some questions. Look at your first desire. What is your desire? So let's say I'm talking about money today. Okay, so 5 lakh rupees per month, right? So I'm talking about 5 lakh rupees per month. So what emotions did you feel when you received your desire? So आपको कैसा लगेगा जब आपकी डिजायर वो पूरी हो जाओगी? How would you feel? How would you feel when your desire fulfills? जब आपकी पूरी हो जाती है, how would you feel? कैसा लगेगा आपको? ओके, सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फीलिंग इट राइट नाउ। कैसा लगेगा? अरे यार पूरी हो गई, मैंने पूरा देखा, मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में आ गया 5 लाख रुपए महीना। तो हाउ वुड यू फील? दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग। स्टार्ट फीलिंग राइट नाउ, राइट अवे, कि वाह यार अमेजिंग, कर लिया, हो गया यार। सो यू शुड बी लाइक दैट मच एक्साइटेड। Right? And now the second thing. Second thing is, who was the first person you told when you received your desire, and how did you tell them? अभी बताना नहीं, ये आपको इमेजिन करना है। यू हैव टू इमेजिन इट, जैसे अभी हो गया, एज इफ इट इज डन, अभी हो गया, राइट? सो हु विल बी द फर्स्ट पर्सन यू आर गोइंग टू टेल? ओके, सो यू हैव टू इमेजिन, ओके, सो टू whom यू आर गोइंग टू टेल कि मेरा हो गया यार, 5 लाख हो गया। सो मैं जा रही हूँ भागी भागी अपने हस्बैंड को बताने के लिए, यार हो गया। सो यू हैव टू फील इट इन दैट वे। और आप उसको कैसे बताने वाले हो? उसको जफ्फी वाह के बताने वाले हो, या आप ऐसे ही बोलने वाले हो? आप कैसे बताओगे? यू हैव टू फील इट, यू हैव टू विजुअलाइज इट, ओके। एंड द थर्ड थिंग, पहले हाउ वुड यू फील, सेकेंड टू whom you are going to tell, and how are you going to tell. Third thing, what is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? अभी आपका बन गया तो आपने क्या किया? तो आपने उसका क्या किया? इंक्लूड एज मच डिटेल एज यू कैन इन योर माइंड। आपको माइंड में वो विजुअलाइज करना है कि आपका चलो हो गया। अब आपने उसके बाद जो वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग थी वो आपने क्या की? हस्बैंड को बताया, ठीक है, बट उसका किया क्या आपने? ठीक है, इट कुड बी योर गाड़ी ऑल्सो। सपोज यू वांट टू बाय दैट मर्सिडीज और बीएमडब्ल्यू। ठीक है, आप आए, आपने किसको बताया, और फिर आपको कैसा फील हुआ, आपने कैसा बताया, और उसके बाद आपने क्या किया? हो सकता है आप गाड़ी लेकर के मंदिर में गए, पूजा वूजा कुछ आपने करवाया। ठीक है, हो सकता है कुछ दान दक्षिणा वगैरह भी किया। सो यू हैव टू पुट दैट डिटेल्स। द मोर डिटेल्स यू आर पुटिंग, the more you are able to visualize. Okay, so you are giving the universe the way, so how it is going to happen. तो आप उसको रास्ता दे रहे हो, रास्ता दे रहे हो कि वो कैसे करने वाला है। द मोर यू विल, फिर वो आपकी सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पे जाएगा। द थिंग दैट रीचेस टू योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, सो इट स्टार्ट्स मेकिंग इट हैपन फॉर यू। तो नाउ यू आर गिविंग द वे टू योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कि या, सो नाउ इट इज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ड्यूटी, सो हाउ इट हैज टू मेक इट पॉसिबल फॉर यू। वह उसको कैसे करना है आपके लिए। So now it's their duty, not ours. Okay. So how are you going to feel? Whom you are going to tell? How are you going to tell? And what you are going to do after receiving it? After your desire is fulfilled. So what are you going to do? So these three things, you have to put each and every small detail in your mind. Okay. So first you have to do with first desire, then you have to do it for second desire, and it is truly amazing. अमेजिंग। अपने साथ आधा घंटा आपने ये बहुत अच्छे से इसको प्रैक्टिस कर लिया और लगा लिया, एंड
मैम नोट
डेफिनेटली
डाउन
यू,
नहीं कर सकते?
या शाकरीन,
मैम नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं कि
या
जस्ट
नोट डाउन
इमेजिनेशन
करके ही
में ही
करोगे।
करना है?
डिजायर्स तो आपको लिखनी
ओके।
पड़ेगी, यू हैव टू पेन इट
यस
डाउन,
यस।
यू हैव टू पेन इट डाउन। तो द वे आई हैव टोल्ड यू, कौन सी चीज आपकी जो डीपेस्ट डिजायर है उसको आप सबसे टॉप पे रखो, जो आपको 10 में से 10,
यस मैम।
बिल्कुल नॉन नेगोशिएबल, ये तो मुझे चाहिए, इसके बिना भैया नहीं चलेगा, मुझे
हम्म।
चाहिए। और
यस
प्लेस
मैम।
योर ऑर्डर, या मुझे ये चाहिए, आई वॉन्ट दिस टू हैपन फॉर मी।
ओके।
प्लेस योर ऑर्डर, ओके। एंड देन कि 10 में से 9 क्या चाहिए। ओके, सो सेकेंड डिजायर, देन थर्ड डिजायर।
थर्ड।
You can have as many desires as you want.
हम्म।
So it's up to you कितना आपको चाहिए।
Ma'am,
Hmm.
when you receive your desire, after that,
नो नो
we
नो नो
have
नो
to
नो
write
नो
down.
नो,
We just
बिफोर दैट,
imagine.
अभी तो आपकी डिजायर, अभी
Okay.
तो वो आपकी डिजायर है, अभी वो फुलफिल नहीं हुई है
Yes.
शाकरीन।
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे मुझे 5 लाख रुपए पर मंथ बनाना है, तो वो भी हुआ नहीं है, बट
Hmm.
आई हैव टू फील इट एज इफ इट इज डन। तभी
Yes,
तो वो
really. Okay.
होगा ना, तभी
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
वो होगा।
Hmm.
फ्यूचर की चीज के लिए आपने आज ही उसको थैंक यू बोलना है। आई
Okay.
गिव यू
Okay.
वन मोर प्रैक्टिस ना, कभी मुझे अपना काम कराना होता तो मैं कैसे करवाती हूँ? थैंक
Hmm.
यू फॉर द मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम, कि ताकि मुझे लाइनों में ना लगना पड़े, ये ना करना पड़े, वो ना कहीं वेट ना करना
Yes,
पड़े।
ma'am. I got it.
So that
Yes.
also we
Yes.
will be getting later on. So that is also one of the
Hmm.
practices. We will come to that as well.
Okay.
Okay. So finally, reread
Ma'am,
each.
we have to do it every day.
No, 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 not every day.
Okay.
You don't have to do once only.
Okay.
वंस
अच्छा.
ओनली, जो आपकी जो डीपेस्ट डिजायर है उसको टॉप मोस्ट पे रख के उस पे आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, एज मच एज यू कैन, एज मच एज यू वांट, एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस। तो उन्होंने लिखा ना इंटरमिटेंटली, कभी कभार, बीच बीच में कभी कर लिया।
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, यूनिवर्स को भी लगना चाहिए कि नहीं यार, इसको चाहिए ये चीज, और ये मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मैं उसको दूं, और उसने मुझे उसके लिए थैंक यू भी कर दिया।
Hmm.
तो समटाइम्स इस व्हाट्सएप ऑल्सो भी टाइप ना थैंक यू इन एडवांस, और बंदे को लगता है नहीं यार, यार उसने थैंक यू कर दिया, अब तो करना ही पड़ेगा।
Yes, ma'am.
राइट। Yeah. Okay, so finally reread each desire and really emphasize the magic words thank you, so that you feel them as much as you can. So then move to the second desire on your list and follow the same steps with each desire. Second desire के लिए भी यही बोलना है.
Hmm.
So what was the first thing? How did you feel? Second
How
thing,
did
to
you
whom did you
feel?
tell?
Whom
How
did
did you
you tell?
tell? And after that, what did you do? So these
Great.
three questions, right? So with each and every desire, you have to follow the same steps. Until you have completed all 10 desires, spend at least 1 minute on each desire. Each desire के साथ 1 minute. 10 desire, 10 minutes. Right? If you want to do something that's really powerful and a lot of fun, you can also create a magic board, or you can say vision board. So how you can create it? Where you attach pictures to your desires. यू नो देर वॉज अ लेडी, शी क्रिएटेड दैट विजन बोर्ड कि मुझे ना ये चाहिए, मुझे ये गाड़ी चाहिए, तो उसने ना डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मैगजीन से उस गाड़ी की, पर्टिकुलर गाड़ी की वो फोटो चिपका दिया, और उसको विजन बोर्ड अपने वहां पे उसने टंगा दिया कि ये मेरा गाड़ी है, मुझे ये वाला कलर चाहिए, ऐसा ऐसा वो चाहिए। शी वॉज एबल टू डू इट, शी वॉज एबल टू मेक इट। एंड वन मोर एग्जाम्पल आई गेव, कि उसने तो अपने पूरा हस्बैंड को ही वो पूरा क्रिएट कर लिया। शी वॉज एबल टू विजुअलाइज कि मुझे ऐसा चाहिए, मुझे पंजाबी चाहिए, मुझे गोरा चिट्टा चाहिए, और दैट पर्सन ऑल्सो शुड बी लाइक मी, लाइक वेरी ग्रेटफुल, वेरी पोलाइट, and he should obey my parent, he should listen to my parent, he should respect my parent. So that lady to manifested that husband also, उसने पूरा वो विजन बोर्ड बनाया, उसने ऋतिक रोशन का फोटो लगाया विजन बोर्ड के, मुझे ऐसा दिखने वाला चाहिए, और वो उसके उससे भी उसको प्लस मिला। राइट। So cut out the pictures and attach them to a board that is in a place where you will see it often. Place the magic words thank you, thank you, thank you in big bold letters on your magic board or vision board. Or you can use your refrigerator as your magic board. If you have a family, you can create a magic board as a family project because children love it. अब बच्चों को बोलो कि मुझे ये चाहिए कि मेरे 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 लिए ये करो. Imagine that your magic board is truly magical and that whatever you place a picture on your board is instantly moving, is being moved toward you. Your continued gratitude for it will magnetize it all the way into your life. So it will magnetize into your life in a most beautiful and magical way. So, magic practice number 13. Make all your wishes come true. Count your blessing, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. So, that we always do. So instead of that, you can do the same practice. Instead of writing like count your blessings, I told you how do I do it. Okay, so today we have practiced our desire list. Okay, so you can make your desire list. At the end, you were saying thank you, thank you, thank you. In the beginning, you can say thank you, thank you, thank you. So इससे आपका थोड़ा टाइम सेव हो जाएगा. You can save your time instead of doing it 2 times. So you can do it in that way as well. So sit down at a computer or with a pen or journal. So I to always sit with my pen and notebook. When you sit with you can organize your thoughts in a better way. When you sit with a pen or paper, you are not sitting with pen or paper. Basically, the idea is you are sitting with you. You are sitting with you. Because who knows you well? Who know you better than you? You yourself. आप अपने आप को ही तो सबसे ज्यादा जानते हो. इतना आप अपने हस्बैंड को नहीं जानते. यू डोंट नो योर हस्बैंड वेल. यू डोंट नो योर किड्स वेल. The way you know your own self. Who are you
Mhm.
with you? When you sit with yourself, you will get the answer. The answer is there inside you. You know, when you start talking to your own self, you will not have to go to anywhere for the answer. You will not need anybody to give you the answer. You will not ask for the validation to anybody else for your answers. No, there is no need. The answer is inside you only. Just what you have to do is you have to sit with your own self. The answer is there inside you. अपने साथ इस तरह से कभी बैठ के देखो. With pen and paper, you will get the answer. Your soul knows each and everything because your soul has traveled so many births before you didn't even born. Before you didn't even born. क्योंकि सोल तो बहुत टाइम से ट्रेवल कर रही है. सो इफ आई आस्क यू व्हाट इज योर एज, यू विल बी सेइंग 40 50 लाइक दैट. बट सोल की एज क्या है? हमारी एज वो एज नहीं है फ्रॉम द बर्थ टिल नाउ. नो, दैट इज नॉट आर रियल एज. व्हाट इज आर रियल एज? यू डोंट नो. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एज ऑफ योर सोल. उसने तो कई बर्थ लिए हैं, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक. योर सोल नोज ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. सोल तो बहुत पुरानी है, बहुत बहुत सालों हो गए उसे. सो योर सोल नोज ईच एंड एवरी आंसर. यू हैव ईच एंड एवरी आंसर इन साइड यू. Sit with yourself with pen and paper. It will help you to organize your thoughts in a better way. Sit down at a computer or pen or journal and list your top 10 desires. Write thank you 3 times before each one, as though you have already received it. For example, thank you, thank you, thank you for your desire. Using your imagination, answer the following questions in your mind as though you have received each of your 10 desires. What emotions do you feel when you received your desire? Who was the first person you told when you received your desire, and how did you tell them? What is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much detail as you can in your mind. Finally, reread the sentence listing your desire and really emphasize the magic words thank you so that you feel them as much as you can. If you like, create a magic board. Cut out pictures and attach them to your magic board and put it in a place you see often. टाइटल द बोर्ड विथ थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. विजन बोर्ड या मैजिक बोर्ड बना लो, ऊपर मोटा मोटा लिख दो, अंडरलाइन कर लो, सर्कल कर लो, बोल्ड कर दो, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. और नीचे पिक्चर्स लगा लो, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू अचीव इन बोल्ड लेटर्स अक्रॉस द टॉप. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. So that we daily do. Right? So when I was talking to you, I was just thinking that how I have changed my daughter. So I never earlier to there was a lot of chatter mutter and a lot of fights with my daughter and husband and this and that. Right? So how did I change my daughter? So by writing gratitude only. बिकॉज शी यूज टू हैव दैट हैबिट कि वो सारी चीज़ें इधर उधर बिखरा देना, ये यो. तो अब मैंने उसको सब कुछ कहना छोड़ दिया एंड आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग. थैंक यू सो मच तान्या फॉर कीपिंग ऑल द थिंग्स एट देयर ओन एट देयर प्लेसेस. Like in this way I started like doing this practice, and I slowly gradually I started seeing the change in her as well without even saying even a single word. अब उसको भी लगे यार मम्मा को क्या हो गया, मम्मा कितनी बदल गई, अब कुछ बोलती नहीं, कुछ डांटती नहीं. खुश होती रहती है जब भी रूम में आती है, तब भी मतलब वो गाने ही गाती रहती है, हुल्ले हुलारे मोजा मोजा, पता नहीं क्या हो गया मम्मा को, लाइक दैट. So in this way you also have the power to change the people without saying even a single word, right? Okay, let me stop.